3M is excited to introduce our new Perfect-It Gelcoat Finishing System. The line is easy to use for both buffing professionals and vehicle owners and works great on used and new surfaces alike. Products in the 3M Perfect-It Gelcoat buffing system are formulated specifically for gelcoat surfaces, making it easier for you to achieve a perfect gelcoat finish every time. Since the condition of different gelcoat surfaces can vary greatly, 3M included a simple navigation tool on its bottles to help you decide which products in the system are appropriate for each buffing job. In any typical gelcoat buffing job, you will likely be performing some combination of the following 4 tasks: pre-washing the surface ahead of refinishing, cutting to remove major oxidation, scratches, and other defects, polishing to remove minor oxidation, scratches, and swirls, and waxing to leave a great shine while protecting your surface from the elements. 3M's new Perfect-It Gelcoat Finishing System can help you best perform all of these tasks and achieve great results. The first product in the line, designed for pre-washing, is 3M Perfect-It Boat Wash. It is specifically formulated for use in the marine environment. It won't strip wax and is a great way to prepare your surface before buffing. Depending on the degree of oxidation, scratches, or other defects, your next step will be buffing with either 3M Perfect-It Heavy Cutting Compound, 3M Perfect-It Medium Cutting Compound plus wax, or 3M Perfect-It Light Cutting Polish plus wax. Each of these products is designed to leave a great finish, so using all 3 one after another isn't necessary. If you are unable to determine which product best fits your surface condition, visit 3mmarine.com for more information. 3M Perfect-It Heavy Cutting Compound is 3M's fastest cutting liquid for gelcoat surfaces and will quickly remove major oxidation and P800 grit scratches while leaving behind a great unwaxed finish. 3M Perfect-It Medium Cutting Compound plus wax is a one-step solution that will quickly remove major oxidation and P1000 grit scratches while leaving behind a durable wax finish. 3M Perfect-It Light Cutting Polish plus wax is a one-step solution that will quickly remove minor oxidation and P1500 grit scratches while leaving behind a durable wax finish. The final product in the line is 3M Perfect-It Boat Wax, which is specifically designed for use in the marine environment. Whether you've just finished buffing with 3M Perfect-It Heavy Cutting Compound or desire to reapply wax periodically, 3M Perfect-It Boat Wax creates a brilliant shine on a variety of boat surfaces and is a great way to protect your boat. Each of these 5 products is available in multiple sizes. For more information, contact your local 3M distributor or 3M sales representative.